Hi all, today we are going to discuss about single entry system features and types of single entry system. Actually, single entry system is the very oldest and most straightforward method of keeping records of financial transactions, which is rarely prevalent these days. In this system, only one side of the transaction is recorded because of the absence of any prescribed rules, and so the records maintained are more or less incomplete. Features of single entry system. First one is unsystematic method. This is an unsystematic method for recording business transactions in the books of accounts. There are no rules and principles which are applicable for recording business transactions. In the case of incomplete records, mixed system for recording business transactions. Accounting from incomplete record is a mixed system of recording business transactions in which some transactions are recorded on the basis of double entry system, and for certain transactions only a single entry is made in the books. In some cases, no recording is made in the books of accounts. Lack of uniformity. The system of recording business transactions under this mechanism differs from organization to organization, as recording is made as per their need and convenience. Personal transactions are mixed up with business transactions. Personal transactions of the owners are usually mixed up with business transactions. Sometimes it is very difficult to segregate the business expenses and personal expenses of the owners. For example, maintenance expenses of a car, which is used by the owner for business and domestic purposes both. Based on estimates. The profit is based on estimation, hence cannot be relied upon. Similarly, the position of assets and liabilities does not show true and fair view of the business concern. Highly flexible. This mechanism is not based on any set rules, principles, and standards, so it can be modified and changed as per the need and availability of time. Suitable for very small business entities. Though the information provided by the system is inaccurate and not authentic, yet this system is time and cost saving, hence adopted by those small business entities that are not bound to keep records of business transactions as per double entry system. Mainly, personal accounts are maintained. Under this system, mainly personal accounts are maintained and no record of real and personal accounts is maintained. Types of single entry system. First one is pure single entry. Second one is simple single entry. Third one is quasi single entry. Pure single entry system. In this method, only the personal accounts are maintained and there is no information present regarding the sales and purchases made by the particular concern and their cash balances and their bank balances of the concern. Simple single entry system. In a simple single entry system, cash book is maintained along with the personal accounts, and these are maintained as per the double entry system of bookkeeping. Cash received or paid from businesses, uh, from business debtors, or cash paid to business peoples or creditors, or merely written on the bills issued or received. Quasi single entry system. In this system, subsidiary book searches, sales book, purchase book, bills receivable book, and bills payable book are maintained in addition to cash book and personal accounts. Actually, single entry system is a method of bookkeeping that involves recording of each financial transaction only once, as opposite to the double entry system of bookkeeping, which records each transaction value, but it gives very limited information, but it is very simple and easy to maintain. No trial balance is maintained, So there is no chance of checking arithmetical accuracy of the transactions take place in the particular organization. So it is mainly suitable for the very small organization, and it is not accepted by the any financial or banks, and it is not accepted by the tax authorities. Thank you.